Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to buy Bitcoin on Robinhood. Open the Robinhood app and sign in, then complete verification to access crypto. Fund your account using a linked bank or debit card and wait for the transfer to clear. Tap the Crypto tab, search Bitcoin and choose Buy. Enter a dollar amount like $50 or a crypto amount such as 0.001 BTC, then confirm the purchase and monitor your position. Now let's place an order step by step on Robinhood. Tap Bitcoin, select Buy, and decide between market or limit order type. A market order fills quickly at the best available price, while a limit order waits for your target price. Enter the dollar or BTC amount, review estimated fees and price impact, then swipe to confirm. Keep position size reasonable, like a small percent of your portfolio, and avoid impulsive trades. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and hit like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: the Echo Dot smart speaker adds music and voice control to your trading nook, so you can hear price alerts hands-free while you research. It's compact and sounds great for casual listening. Check the description for the Echo Dot link and other deals I mentioned. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Protecting your crypto on Robinhood matters, so take these practical steps. Turn on two-factor authentication and use a strong, unique password. For larger holdings, consider transferring BTC to a private hardware or software wallet where you control keys. Keep only small amounts for active trading on the app. Regularly review account activity and set realistic expectations for volatility. Treat crypto like high risk and never invest more than you can afford to lose.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.